Hello YouTube, this is Shane here, and today I'm going to show you a firework I recently found, and I first got them for free, and they're called Hula Hoops. Otherwise they go for about $2 for 10 to 20 maybe, and it's really basic setup. All it really is a regular visco fuse, which leads to, I think it's a flying fish fuse, because it seems to just spin on the ground, and there's a little weight at the end. Well, here, I'll show you a few. When I first got these, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but they're actually kind of sweet. All it really does is spin around. And the reason I think it's flying fish fuse is because they're really unstable and they tend to fly around on their own. And that's just pretty much what this is doing, except with the weight at the end. Like I said, it's a really basic and simple firework, but I really like them for being more of a novelty item / spinner, which I'm usually not a fan of. Cheap, but not bad. Alright, have a nice night.